Hey guys, so today I have my Ipsy bag for the month of May, so let's get into it. And the bag this month looks like this. It looks like a rose gold glitter, but with like rainbow glitter mixed in as well. I don't know if you can see like the rainbow glitter on camera, but it is really pretty and very sparkly and it gets glitter on your hands. So let's get into here. So the first thing we have in here are two sheet masks. Looks like the same one. And this is from Bioracé, I think. This is the Intense Hydrating Spirulina mask. So this is supposed to soothe sensitive, dry, and tired skin, deeply absorb and boost moisture content of skin. So definitely sounds like I'd be interested in these. Always looking for some extra hydration, and it's really nice and relaxing to use a sheet mask every once in a while, so I will definitely use these. Next thing we have in here is a brush from SLMissGlam, and this is the SS57 brush. So here's the brush. There's like two little rhinestones on it for some reason, and it looks like a blending brush, so definitely one I'd be interested in. Can never have too many blending brushes in my opinion. And I mean, it's like plastic, so it's not like a very high quality, I don't think, but it definitely feels like it'll get the job done. And there isn't any shedding going on so far, so looks like it'll work out for me. Next thing in here is something from Estate, and this is lip icing. So a lip gloss, I think. This is in the shade Drip. So here is the, what I'm assuming is a lip gloss. It's very pinky. Ooh, and it smells like cupcakes. Okay, so let's see if this is lip gloss. I'd say lip gloss, yes. Ooh, very creamy. Very, very creamy. Don't think there's much color to it. It's just like a slight tint of pink on the lips. But it feels really nice and hydrating on the lips, and probably get your hair stuck in it on a windy day, but that's nice, and it looks like it's full size as well. Okay, next thing in here is from Benefit, and this is the Bad Gal Bang mascara. I'm actually wearing this mascara today. I've gotten a few sample sizes of this in various boxes, and I do really like this mascara. It's very, very volumizing and lengthening, but it can get clumpy if you're not careful. But I do really like this mascara, so when the ones that I have are used up, I will definitely crack into this. I think it's a very nice mascara. It is definitely one of the more dramatic ones that I own. Okay, and the last thing in here is from Goldfaden something MD, and this is the Solution Vital Boost Even Skin Tone Daily Moisturizer. So this is like a specialty moisturizer for if you have uneven skin tone. So that's cool, I guess. I'll definitely try it out. Okay, so that's all of the products that I got in my Ipsy Glam bag this month. I feel like there's nothing really too exciting, but it's all things I'll use, I guess. The sheet masks I'll use. The blending brush is probably my favorite. I love brushes all the time. Brushes are great because then it means I don't have to clean mine as often. And the lip gloss feels really nice, and I think it is a really pretty color, even though it's just like that slight pinky tint. The mascara I do really like, but I already have it, so I don't know. And then the moisturizer I'll definitely try. So I didn't get anything that I hate. It's just not the most exciting bag, I would say. So let me know what you got in your Ipsy bag this month and how you're liking everything, and I will see you in my next video.